everybody. So, what you got? Alex checking in here. Doing a few mods and upgrades to my new Samsung S10. Had it out over the weekend. I was at a circle track race with my buddy, so I got some footage coming up for you guys for that too. Just gotta splice it all together and do some stuff. So, as you guys know, I like to take care of my stuff, especially when it's a huge purchase like this because I own all my phones outright, and I don't like leasing phones or paying a monthly bill for something I'm gonna use or whatever. Because like, what if you don't pay your bill? Like, Sprint's gonna show up like, yo, run that phone, player. Like, give it up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if they could evict you from your phone or evict, what they might do for you. But either way, so first things first, you want to go ahead and take the stock screen protector off, which I've already kind of done. I shouldn't say screen protector, but it's just kind of a thin film. And Samsung says it's pretty good, but I mean, it worked with my thumb pretty decently, so I can't hate on that at all. Go ahead and clean up the phone here. Yep. We're gonna unpackage what came from Amazon here. Looks like that's pretty much it. The package came kind of messed up, but hey, nonetheless, looks like everything's in there. Got some cleaning cloths. Got some instructions. Got some destructions. My buddy Earl would always call it. I don't know exactly how to do that. Got that. Some more sticky cloths or whatnot too. So, oh wait, you got some. Looks like you got some glue or some type of stuff or in the side of here. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Yeah. Gonna read some instructions real quick. All right. So, looks like I'm going to do this live as I talk to you guys. So first and foremost, make sure you get the phone powered off and everything. Go ahead and wipe it off with the alcohol cloth like they say. I mean, I just pulled this out of the pack, off the screen protector off, so it shouldn't have too much on there, but I do car stuff, so. Alright guys, so as you guys left checking in here for the second time, typically I don't actually have to do a reshoot or anything like that, but today, so I'm doing the white dome screen protector on my S10, and I want to show you guys how to install that. It's kind of confusing if you look at the instructions online or the instructions that they give you. So me being me and wanting to do this vlog thing, figure I'll try and give it a shot. If I wind up gluing my S10 to my laundry basket here, it'll be pretty funny. But there's a reason why I moved it out to my hallway here. I want to have it somewhere, typically I have flat work surfaces, obviously, in my garage, and I was going to use my bed because it's clean. Well, my bedroom's the cleanest place in my house. But then I was like, well, if it's kind of, not exactly flat, then the glue is going to want to run one way or run another way. So, go ahead and clean it off again. You take your alcohol wipe. Clean, clean, clean. Little wipey wipe, like so. Then you take your wipe right there. Wipe that off again. Boss of mine would say, go back down and try it again. So, then you take your dust removal sticker. Ingenious idea, alright? Use a sticker to remove dust. Alright, so I finished taking off the dust with that sticker. And you have like these little, how can I describe? Like a little piece here. Wow, I'm actually kind of off. A little piece here that you would put over the microphone. So you're gonna have that, and you're gonna place that right over the microphone so no glue can get in there. So you kind of take that and you go. It's really hard to get lined up. And I'm not a huge perfectionist, but I can be. Comes down to expensive phone. But anyway, like I was saying in the first video, I like to take really good care of my stuff, especially when it costs a large amount of money like this. So then you're gonna take that, you put the little protector over there. Should look like so. Nice and shiny and black. take this top screen here, or top cover, if you will. You're gonna take that and you're gonna put that over the top of the bottom cover. That's why it's called a top cover and a bottom cover. Like so. So it's gonna look just like that. Then when you have it sitting pretty much like that, you can take this little plastic piece here, you insert that into there, like so. You're gonna take the little bridge thing that it came with, so it's gonna just look like a kind of a U bracket. You take that, insert that into there. So then you take the moment of this is the tricky part. So you take the glue, you open this end. I'm not sure exactly. All right. You open that in, you take it, you place it on there like so. Screw it in. Screw it in. A few threads will be just nice and smooth, just like that. And I'll scoot that closer for you guys. All right, so when you have that, you are going to need it's going to come with this cure, I guess you would say. Yeah, I have a battery pack here, just hooked up to it, so it'll be able to power up my. That'll actually show up. It'll be able to power up and cure the glue. So now that you have the all nice and screwed in, you basically take the back side of it there, you unscrew the cap up, and then it runs everywhere. That's why it's important to have it on a pretty flat surface. Even though it's gonna, alright, so now as you kind of sitting on there, you're gonna let all the contents of it come out of the little thing. It definitely smells like super glue. It smells like a nail salon, actually. So if I can adjust this, make it a little better for you guys. Like that. I wonder if my flash is going to make this cute. Alright, so now you get all that out of the... Oh, glue around too much there. Well, that's coming out of there. You're going to take this, the cover here. You're going to pull it out of the plastic. The plastic. Nice and smooth and gentle. This is important. So you have a little cutout for your camera hole. That's pretty important. You put this on wrong, the cutout will be in the wrong spot. There's like one little drop left to come out, and I'm not gonna wait for it to come out. You can bring it out like that. Alright. So then you take your bridge off like so. You can bring it to a nice medium point in the screen. Then you're gonna peel the plastic off, making sure not to touch the back of it. So I'm just kinda like that. Doesn't really feel like glass. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to put the protector in at the bottom. Let me make sure I have the... Okay. Second guess. Put the protector in at the bottom. There. So, pretty much lines up. If you line it up at the bottom, you still got the thing off at the top there. Alright, so you're going to scoot it back about to the center. It's going to start, the glue is going to start touching And you don't really want it to move down that much. You're going to drop it like so. And you're going to start pressing. And then the glue should spread out. Hopefully it makes it all the way to the top. It's like one little spot. I'm hoping disappears. Try and egg it along. Looks like it did. Alright, so here's another important part. You take your battery pack, you get it powered up here. You put it at the top for what they said of 30 seconds. So you gotta turn it on here. And now you pull this up. Take the case off. That. Still trying to be kind of delicate with it. It might be fragile. You take your wipe here, alcohol wipey. Wipe off the edge. So, I guess I could zoom out so you guys won't see my ugly hands. Whoop, like so. It smells weird. It's a very weird smelling adhesive, if you will. So you wipe off any residual that might be on the edge. Didn't really look like any, so that's cool. And yeah. Wipe it dry, nice and smooth. Looks pretty good. Then they recommend that you cure it again with just with the phone on a surface like that. About another minute or so in each section. So alright, and just like that. Looks pretty good. I mean, nice and smooth. Obviously I'm putting more fingerprints on here now, but looks like it comes down right to the edge of the screen and everything looks pretty good. Yeah. Pretty much just like that. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and try the fingerprint unlock here. And, well, looks like it is still working. Alright. I'm kind of doing it wrong. You should be doing it like... Actually, you should be alternating thumbs when you do it, but... That's just what Jimmy is promo. Shout out to him. And continue. Done. So you turn off the screen. Unlock and you... Ta-da! So yeah, works just fine. Yeah. SK out. 1.